kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. Amazing. Anyway, build up your immune system with some natural ingredients. Green juice, lemon and water. Cleanse your body and, you know what I mean, look after yourself at home, in your own kitchen, in your own house. Alright? Remember, I've been preaching this very long time now, guys. Look after yourself at home. Alright? Now, today we want to make you guys a healthy weight loss and detoxing drink. Hopefully you guys like the recipe. So please stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram, my Facebook page. My name is Chef Ricardo. We always give you the best recipe in this whole entire world for you to make at home. Stay tuned. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, I'm in the kitchen and I want to give you one of my favorite recipe right here. Alright? So detox up your body and all them things and cleanse up your immune system. Make your immune system strong and fight against everything we are come right now. Alright? So first of all, you need some coriander. Alright? Secondly, we need some mint. And I'm gonna just simple cut off this part of the mint and put it straight inside of the blender. So guys can see exactly what's going on in the kitchen. Alright. You need some ginger. Always have ginger in your house. Always have ginger at home, guys. You need some lemon, or if you have lime, you just use it. Alright. Carrot. Piece of cucumber. Guys, I'm telling you, all of these natural remedy what I'm giving you every day, I'm telling you 100% these things do work at home. These things been using over the last 200,000 years, so it's still in use up to till today. Alright? Now we're gonna put a clove of garlic inside of it. And now we're just gonna simple full this of water and we're going to blend it. And what you do, you drink this early in the morning before breakfast or at night before you go to your bed, and detox your body and cleanse your immune system and make your immune system strong. Fight against all of the hurricane and the storm. Alright? Now what we're going to do is blend. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Now, look at the color of it. There's a lot of things inside of that, guys. I'm telling you, straight up. Now, what we're going to do is strain it. If you have a good blender and can blend out until it come fine, you can have the fiber. But for me personally, I like to just drink it like this. Alright? As you can see it for yourself exactly what's going on in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo when I'm saying I'm making you something totally, you know what I mean, detoxing your body, cleanse your immune system and all that thing. Look at this one, guys. This is not a normal drink. Alright? So it look ugly? Yeah. Coriander, ginger, garlic. Oh my God, what more do you want? Build up your immune system. Alright. Yeah, that looking good. Yeah, that's looking really, really, really good. So what we're going to do, get our cup and put a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar inside of it. And just pour your drink. If you don't want to drink all of it, you can just drink a glass of it like this. Quarter glass in the night before you go to your bed, and the rest in the morning for breakfast. Alright guys, I want to take the time out to say thank you so much for fighting, for subscribing and leaving your comments and watching my video. This one is to fight against everything. Sugar, diabetes, everything guys. This is a drink which I'm talking about. Build up your immune system and cleanse your body and detox your body at home in your own kitchen. From Chef Ricardo and the team, we're always giving you the best juice, the best remedy, how to detox your body, how to cleanse your body, and this is exactly what I'm talking about right here. Stay tuned, follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page. My name is Chef Ricardo. I'm always giving you the best recipe in this whole entire world. Stay tuned and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye.